I was born to be rich. I am worthy of my increasing wealth. Money flows into my life from many sources. I am aligned with the flow of abundance. I am developing a powerful wealth mindset. I love learning about the spiritual and the man-made laws of money. I only think positive thoughts about money. Money comes to me easily. I easily let go of any limiting beliefs about money. I forgive myself for my old ideas about money that once held me back. Money loves being a part of my life. I am creating massive value in the world. I love what I do. I vibrate in perfect harmony with the massive wealth that I am attracting into my life. I am aligned to the frequency of abundance. My mind is a magnet that attracts more and more money into my life every single day. With a big smile on my face, I think of all the wonderful ways that my wealth mindset is making me rich, and I sincerely say, thank you.